A motorist allegedly abused a concerned passersby who confronted him about a dog, gasping for breath, in his car on a 37°C Melbourne day. As the temperature approached 40°C on Tuesday, some people noticed the dog locked in a car on Hampton Street, Hampton at about 5:45 p.m. Police said they were told the animal was gasping for breath when the incident was reported. News and stream for free greater than, but then they were called again when the owner of the car started allegedly verbally abusing the Good Samaritans when they questioned him about the dog. The owner of the car then left, but police intercepted the car a short distance away. Not only did they find the dog, but also found the man was allegedly drink driving. The Sandringham man returned a positive preliminary breath test at the scene and then allegedly returned an evidentiary breath test of 246 at the police station, almost 5 times the legal limit. The 53-year-old had his license suspended, the car impounded and will be charged on summons with drink driving and leaving animal unattended in a vehicle on extreme weather day. It reached 37°C in Melbourne on Tuesday and was the hottest day of the year in the city.